everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the access permission of the product catalog, and by the end you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of access permission of product catalog in Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. Access permission to the product catalog. Now you can set up the access permission to the work with the product catalog. Your employees will see only the information they need to and won't be able to accidentally delete an item or change its price. Access permission are represented as a list with the buttons to enable and disable the catalog features. You need to create a role and assign it to the employee or the department. After that, enable the access permission for the certain rules. So where you find that access permission option. So when we click on the inventory, in inventory we have the product catalog option. So in the right hand side of the inventory, in the more we have the option of setting. So in the setting we have the access permission, and in the access permission we have the access permission for the product and the warehouses. By default, there are the following roles in the forms: online store administrator, online store staff, and the warehouse clerk. You can create the new roles or add the new employees to the existing ones. For creating the new role, in the left hand side, we have the option of creating the role, and in this particular role, you just need to write the name of that particular role. When you write the name of that particular role, and when you click on the save, that role will be created over here. By clicking on the plus icon, you can add the members whom you want to give this access permission. So when you click on the members and click on the save, that employees are added over here in that particular role. So you can give this permission to the employee wise or to the department wise. After that, when you see the below list, here we have the option of the view product catalog, create product, edit, delete product. Along with product, we have the option for the inventory, stock adjustment, and stock receipt and transfer. So here you just need to on and off that button for giving the access permission to the employee. So that's how the access permission in the Bitrix24 for the product catalog we can set over here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.